Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Semrush for AI topic clustering and content planning, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Semrush dashboard and log into your account. Navigate to the Marketing Insights section from the main menu. Select Content Marketing from the drop-down options. Click on the Topic Research tool within the Content Marketing section. Enter your primary topic or keyword into the search bar. Choose the appropriate geographical location to tailor your results. Press the search button to initiate the query. Review the generated topics and subtopics presented by Semrush. Examine the relevant content ideas listed on the right side of the screen. Identify clusters of related topics that align with your content strategy. Select the topics that resonate most with your audience or objectives. Click on the Add to Project button for any chosen topic clusters. Navigate back to your project dashboard from the Topic Research tool. Open the SEO Content Templates section for detailed content planning. Input your selected topics into the Target Keywords field. Review the suggested content recommendations tailored for your chosen keywords. Analyze insights regarding word count, backlinks, and related terms. Incorporate these recommendations into your content strategy. Use the Content Creation tool for drafting articles based on the topic clusters. Monitor your performance regularly using the integrated analytics features. Utilize the SEO Writing Assistant to optimize your drafts for SEO best practices. Save and organize your updated topic clusters and content plans for future reference. Periodically revisit the Topic Research tool to refresh your content ideas. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.